What do you get when you take some avid kayakers and put them on a UNESCO World Heritage waterway? In glow-in-the-dark kayaks? Keep watching. What an adventure! The Light at Night kayak experience is brought to us by Ottawa Valley Air Paddle. After a safety briefing, we are ready to hit the water. This experience is a 2-hour, 6-kilometer paddle along the historic Rideau Canal in downtown Ottawa, Ontario, the capital of Canada. And it features Uru folding kayaks. The amazing thing about these foldable kayaks, besides the fact that they are floating origami, is that they are made of a translucent material, and because of that, they are able to install colorful lights inside the kayaks that make them glow after dark. Our daughter Katrina saw this online and knew we would love it. It's $99 per person, but it's a very unique experience. Scan this code and join the Trailer Tribe, your front row seat to our next adventure. The Pretoria Bridge was originally built between 1915 and 1918. The chief engineer for this bridge was none other than Joseph B. Strauss. You may have heard of him. He designed this bridge called the Golden Gate in San Francisco. The bridge is a table-type vertical lift bridge. The central span can rise straight up to let boats pass underneath. It raises a maximum of 6 meters, giving it a total height of 9 meters, or about 30 feet of clearance. The Highway 417 Queensway Bridge over the Rideau Canal is a concrete rigid frame structure built in the mid-1960s as a key component of Ottawa's downtown freeway. Lots of people fish from the side of the canal. I wonder if they catch anything. There's the rest of our group. We're pretty far behind. Oh look, a street musician. Off in the distance, we see the Fairmont Chateau Laurier. Here's Desmarais Hall, part of the University of Ottawa. Built to protect Canada from an American invasion after the War of 1812, the Rideau Canal is a military marvel that's still functional 190 years later. And in winter, it freezes and becomes the world's largest skating rink. My bucket list includes kayaking the canal all the way from the St. Lawrence River to the Ottawa River. Drop a comment below if you want to watch a video of that adventure. Canada's National Defence Headquarters comprises of a collection of offices spread across Ottawa. The Perky's building here is the primary base. The Rogers Centre is Ottawa's premier event space with panoramic views of the Rideau Canal and a design built for big moments. To the left is One Elgin Restaurant. The patio looks like a great place to have a beer. Sounds like there's a concert going on up there. This building to our right was originally Ottawa's central train station, but it's currently serving as the interim Senate chamber while the Senate's permanent home on Parliament Hill is undergoing renovations. Thousands of screaming fans shut down the street here in 1957 as Elvis made his way out of the train station for a concert in Ottawa. And here under the Wellington Street Bridge is the final 8 locks on the water system connecting the St. Lawrence River to the Ottawa River. This is where we turn back. Rideau Canal is the oldest continuously operated canal system in North America. Built in 1832 and is still a working waterway today. It's really starting to get dark now. You can really see the lights. Once again, going under the Pretoria Bridge. And here are all the kayaks all lit up and waiting to get loaded back in the truck. That's it for this adventure. Next time we take our kayaks out on the St. Lawrence River for one last summer weekend before taking to the air for an epic adventure along the California coast. So join us, our next adventure is just around the corner.